If you run an e-commerce store, QuickBooks Online is one of the best tools to keep your finances in check. Start by connecting your bank and credit card accounts so all your sales and expenses flow in automatically. Then set up your products or services. Just add each item you sell along with cost, price, and tax details. When you make a sale, create an invoice or receive payment right inside QuickBooks. You can even import orders from platforms like Shopify or Amazon if you have them linked. Track expenses like shipping costs, inventory purchases, or ads, all in one place. Use categories wisely so you know exactly where your money's going. And don't forget to run reports like profit and loss or sales by product to see what's really working. With QuickBooks, managing your online store's money becomes simple so you can focus on growing your brand. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and let me know, what should we cover next?